Ever felt like your paycheck disappears the moment it hits your account? Looking at a pile of messy receipts can be incredibly overwhelming. Stop wondering where your money went. It is time to turn that financial chaos into a clear, beautiful digital roadmap for your future. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a functional monthly budget spreadsheet from scratch. Let's start by opening a blank document first. We need to set the foundation. At the top, we will create our three core headers: income, fixed expenses, and variable expenses. Organization is key. Use bold fonts and subtle background colors to make these categories stand out, making it easier to read at a glance. Now, let's list your income sources. This includes your primary salary, any side hustles, or passive income streams you might have coming in. Next, we tackle fixed expenses. These are your non-negotiables, like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and insurance that stay consistent every month. Entering these values gives you a clear picture of your baseline cost of living. It is the amount you need just to keep things running. Then we have variable expenses. This is where most of our hidden spending happens, covering groceries, dining out, entertainment, and shopping. To make this spreadsheet truly powerful, we need to automate it. We'll use basic SUM formulas to calculate totals for each category automatically. Watch as the numbers update instantly. Automation reduces the manual work and ensures your budget is always accurate without needing a calculator. Let's take it a step further. We'll create a net income cell that subtracts all your expenses from your total income for the month. Numbers are great, but visuals are better. We are going to insert a pie chart to see exactly where your money is going. Now you can see at a glance if your dining out budget is eating up too much of your total income. It is all about balance. Let's add a savings goal progress bar. This visual cue keeps you motivated by showing how close you are to your next big milestone. Whether you are saving for a vacation or an emergency fund, seeing that bar move toward the right is incredibly rewarding. Building the sheet is only half the battle. Maintenance is what creates long-term success. Try to log your expenses as they happen. Just spent $10 on lunch. Log it. These small habits prevent the end-of-month surprise where you wonder where everything went. Consistency is more important than perfection. Even if you miss a few days, just jump back in and keep moving forward. You now have a functional tool to manage your money with confidence. No more stress, just clear data and smart decisions. If you want to skip the setup, you can download my pre-made template using the link below. It's ready for you to start using today. Take control of your future today. Subscribe for more financial tips and let's reach those goals together. Thanks for watching.